Okay, we are live. That took me a while, but I wanted to post everything on social media to make sure that everyone is aware. Here we go. Welcome, Kevin, and and welcome, Midna. Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate that. All right, so let's get ready. Okay. So where we left off last time, I defeated the goldenrod gym leader, and for some reason I see a black border around the screen. I don't like that. Hold on, let me see if I can fix that real quick. There we go. Much better. Much better now. Okay, so last time I defeated the goldenrod city gym leader. And yeah, this is actually on the 3DS as well. I just got it 2 days ago. I'm gonna switch on the AC, I'm feeling hot. I miss watching you since I've been in school. That's okay. I miss you too, Midna. Well, anyway, so, what was I gonna do? Yeah, I wanna check if the time capsule is open. Please. I'm sorry, the time capsule is still being repaired. Oh, come on, man, let's go. Being adjusted. Oh, man, I need to get my Pokemon from Pokemon Red. Hey, V4! Time for some Whitney. I defeated Whitney already. First attempt yesterday. Boom. And it was an epic battle, eh? It was I managed to get her on the tiniest red dot of HP. And then she did the Moo Moo Milk. I'm like, no! So it's okay. I did it once, I can do it again. And I did it again. Just tiny bit of HP. Tiny red HP. And she Moo Moo Milked again. It was so intense. It was so awesome. Yes, you missed it, V4. You missed it. Hey, Julian, hello. I am doing great. How are you, Julian? Nice to see you. Alright, so since I defeated the gym leader now, I think I can get like the bucket or something. Not here, is it? I think here. Hold on. There must be like a shop, a flower shop or something. This is it. Oh, you're better than Whitney. Do you know about that moving tree? If you get it wet, giggity, with the squirt of giggity. Bottle. Hey, cheerful gamer, welcome. Why didn't you wait for me? Because I wait for nobody. Alright, so that's all Julian cares about. Oh man. But since you have some badges, I should be okay. Vloggy received squirt bottle. How's everybody doing today? I said I wouldn't stream more Pokemon, but I was itching to play some more. La 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 la. Have plenty of water, my lovely. Alright, so. So, what was I saying? What was I saying? Prepping school materials. That's always good, I guess. So since I defeated the gym leader, I'm gonna keep going up in here. Up in here. Bug catching contest. I remember trying to get a Scyther here once. But I don't care anymore. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna see if I can get the next badge. I love how the next gym leader is called Morty. Okay, Morty. This is a Meowth. Persian. Fufusha. Pay attention, please. Oops, I have to quit thinking like a teacher all the time. Oh, you must be a Pokemon trainer. Since you're working so hard, I want to. This must be V4. I want you to have this. Vloggy received Quick Claw. Thank you, V4. You see, V4 just gave me. Nothing in the bin. Alright, so I'm gonna... There's a few more trainers here that I need to battle. And I'm gonna reorganize my Pokemon real quick. Because Totodile is level 22, so switch. Ghastly. I love this music. So yeah, I know I said I wouldn't be playing more Pokemon because I played like 6 streams, Pokemon streams in a row or something like that. and I hate to do that, but lately I've been very, very excited for Pokemon, so... But this will be the last stream for a while. As from Monday, tomorrow I won't be streaming for sure, but Monday I'll be streaming Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. It's such a great story, I want to play that. So yeah, I can't use this guy. Pokemon. So yeah. What's the egg? Oh, it's another Totodile really, but I wanted to test something. I wanted to see if that egg happens to be a male Totodile and happens to know the TM Mudslap because the parent had a Mudslap. I will replace my Totodile because I'd rather have a male. I always wanted my Totodile to be a male. Sarandia, hello, welcome. Nice to see you. Today's stream objectives are getting another badge from Morty, and see if that time capsule gets to work. I want that time capsule. I have my Pokemon ready in the other DS. I need to transfer them. My other team. Pam param pam param pam param pam param. I got my Celebi already. It's in it's my hard copy as well. This music is awesome. I was watching some face-to-face stream before I start streaming myself. I was lurking actually. I was lurking for like an hour, but I was busy transferring Pokemon from one game to the other as I was watching him. And he did this glitch where you can get all 3 starters in the game. It was awesome, man. I want to do that next time. He got all 3 starters with the glitch. I'm doing great, Cheer. How are you? I'm excited for Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon as well. When Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon comes out, 12 to 24 hours stream for sure. Valtorb. Oh, sorry to hear, Cheer. You should probably lie down. Valtorb. I never liked Voltorb. It's so unoriginal as a Pokemon. The design. Cheer about the pants. It's true, Kevin, you're right. This music is sweet. I don't feel like going into the grass though, so I'm just gonna see if I can lure the... Oh man, I didn't even finish the sentence. Oh no, Cheer! this is a Pokemon fan or something, yeah? Pika fan? Something like that. There we go. Pokefan. Raichu! Ghastly! Alright, lick. Lick! I'm gonna get some serious XP from Ghastly, from Raichu. If I manage to take him down. Ah! Hypnosis. Oh no! Ah, dang it. Okay, I have a problem here. My next two Pokemon are weak against Raichu, so we're gonna try anyway. Ouch, man, he's fully evolved. Level 14 already, my goodness. Oopsie, wrong attack. But I have a great time. Come on, Totodile, you can do this. I know you can. You know bite. Oof, the fact that he attacks first. Oh, and critical. Come on, flinch. No? Oh, of course. Ouch. Okay, GG. GG, I'll be back. Ooh, I still have a chance. No, I don't. GG. That's okay. That's okay. Only because you have a Raichu. Only because you had a Raichu. That's why you trashed me. Alright, so... Have I assigned my bike? No, I haven't yet. Select. There we go. No, I hate nicknaming my Pokemon, no. I like the original names. Because otherwise I'd get confused myself. I'd forget what I nicknamed who and what, so no, I'd rather just have their original names. I don't like nicknaming them. Plus, it's a thing you can't fix. If you nickname it, you can't undo it, right? No, I don't like nicknaming them, no. Plus, one more thing. Why don't I evolve them? Because they learn their moves faster when they remain babies. I want Totodile to learn his Hydro Pump at a younger level, not wait till he's like 65 or something. That's the idea. Alright, sir. You're gonna get it now. Come on. Come on, sir. Oh, come on, really? Actually, since you brought it up, I'm gonna bring up my Cerebi.net so I can actually follow what's going on. Cerebi.net. Why am I gonna attack this guy? I don't need to attack him. So, we said Ghastly. I'm gonna check Ghastly real quick first. So Ghastly's next move is gonna be at 21, Nightshade. We're getting there. We're getting there. What about Totodile? We mentioned Totodile's Hydro Pump. I'm gonna check. ST, T for Totodile. So Totodile learns Hydro Pump at level 52. If I evolve him to a Feral Gator right away, instead of 52 he will learn Hydro Pump at 58. It's not that much, but still, no. And you only get to enjoy them being babies once, so why not? Welcome back, Julian. Alright, so let's pay back. Payback time. Payback time! This time I have a strategy. Nah, I don't like Ho, really. I mean, I don't know. I prefer Lugia for sure. Alright, so, Hypnosis. There we go. Good boy. It might take a while now, but I'm gonna keep going at it. Lick. Actually, you know what? Might take... No, I'm gonna switch. It's gonna take forever. I'm gonna use my strongest Pokemon. Please don't wake up, Raichu. Please don't wake up. I could have used Mud Slap. I'm stupid. My favorite Pokemon of all time would be... I would have to say... Ouch. I would have to say I think it's a Charizard. I think it's a Mega Charizard. The X one. Come on, Raichu. Strong, huh? But that's why I have Mud Slap. I would never remove Mud Slap. Mud Slap is a good move against electric types. Gastly's 20, 1 level away from Nightshade. Total I gained, okay. And we're done. Hey girl. I make her come to me. Dish. Ghastly. Alright, lick. Lick. Nice. Oh, look at that! There we go. I don't have Rayquaza. What you talking about, Willis? Alright, let's go. Keep on. Takes a while with the little lick, but I'm gonna keep at it because... Ooh, wow, what? What? Alright, I'm not gonna trust that. Have to be careful. Actually, I'm gonna switch. There we go. Alright, so, can I heal? I really don't feel like walking back. Can I give him a berry? Will you be happy with just a berry, buddy? Well, you're gonna have to be. I'm gonna walk around here to see if I missed anything. Oh, actually, there is a secret here. Hold on, there's a secret here. I need to find it though. There's a secret entrance here somewhere. Here. That's not it. What a secret. TM28, what does it consist of? I don't know. Let's find out. Pack. Dig. Okay. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Anything else? I knew it. It's time to put on the bike, because... Alright, we can do this. Okay. Now we're gonna get some serious XP, come on. And we're gonna learn Nightshade. Nice. Nightshade, Nightshade! There we go. You betcha. Instead of mean look. Is there anything in here? I don't think so. No. Who else agrees that Lugia should be flying water instead of flying psychic? It said it spends time in the... Well, it's true, I agree, but... What can you do? It's true. Let's see if this works. Nice, okay, we're good. So what's the final move that that Ghastly learns? I think it's Dream Eater, is it? Let's find out. It's actually Destiny Bond. I don't really care about Destiny Bond though. Alright. Let's do this. There we go. Should I catch it? That's not what I had in mind. Ugh. Well, at least it's paralyzed. That's what I was trying to prevent. Ah, you butt face. No, I don't like Sudoku either. Please try to refrain from posting caps locks because it feels like you're yelling at me. I don't like that. It's either that or you're begging for attention. I don't like either of that. So, you're welcome to type, but don't use uppercases, please. Mud slap. I don't like Sudoku either. I'm not gonna catch it, no. Oh, come on, really? Are you gonna trash me? Come on, you have some serious XP that I need to take from you, yes. I'm gonna keep tackling him. Ooh, that's gonna take forever. Do I have a revive? I don't. Alright, alright. Let's keep doing this. I don't know, as long as I can. For as long as I can. Oh man, this is ridiculous. Oh, really? Come on, you're paralyzed. I mud slapped you a couple of times. Okay, GG. Frickin' chicken. Man. How's the egg doing? Oh, wow. There we go. I was misled. I thought there was going to be double battles here, but I was like, what? So there's nothing I can do here. I hate double slap. It's okay, that's what I had in mind. Keep packing. Keep up the pack. Ah, Jigglypuff. Hello, it's Philly! Nice to see you, buddy. Jigglypuff! Please don't put me to sleep. Ah! That's okay. I'm gonna wait patiently, wait till he wakes up again. I don't care. Will you be playing? Of course. I plan on doing like a marathon. I don't know, 12 or 24 hours the day it comes out. Definitely. And I'm gonna get it before everyone else. Mwahahaha. Look at this. I hate it. It always happens. It's my trademark. Ooh, come on, man! Bring back Ghostbusters. You know, I was actually thinking about that, Philly. I think I'll be streaming it again, yes, because I love Ghostbusters. But I was gonna allow some more time before I play it again, because I haven't, you know, it hasn't been that long since I played it last. But I will play it again, definitely. Yeah, I was actually thinking about it today. I will play it again. I love that game. I love Ghostbusters. Drowsy. Alright, nice. Guess he's gonna get some serious XP. Oh wow, really? I have work, Kevin, but I'm gonna take the day off. Ooh, come on, Drowsy. Really? I could have done the same thing to you, but I decided not to. And you decided to be that guy? You know Dream Eater already? What? What? No, 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 no. No, critical. My goodness. Wow, that was... Quiplash. Oh, It's been a while since I played Quiplash. Yeah, Philly, it's true. It's been a while. We should play that. We should play that soon. Yeah, it will be hilarious. For you guys, not for me. So, Drowsy, you made me mad. Oh, come on! You freaking chicken! Yeah, exactly. That was the last time we played it, I think, Philly. Was it? I don't know. Was it? This Drowsy is annoying me. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm bringing out the big guns. That's it. Exactly. Oh, look at that! It always happens! I leave them hanging by just a tiny little bit. Ah! Always, since Pokemon Red. Marade? Really? No way! No way! Hello, Kuda, welcome. Nice to see you. Oh, that's so sweet. Ace Max, welcome. Gained... No, the emotes don't work there, no. The emotes only work on her stream. Well, you tried. Hey, Snarly, welcome. And thank you for subscribing, Kuda. Kudal, it's Kudal actually, C-U-D-A-L. I didn't realize that's an L. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Well, I didn't make the layout. Well, I mean, there's this YouTuber, and he does some great work, and he does them for free for everyone else. And then I just tweaked them a little bit myself. But he's so talented. And only yesterday or the day before I discovered that he took down his channel. He deleted all his content and everything. Like, what? Seriously? Anyway. Hey Marielle, welcome. Marielle forgot my last name. That is so awesome. Hey Ma, there she is. And Broken Tooth. Thank you so much for the raid, Ma. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Hoothoot is evolving? No. Sorry guys, I want to give you a nice show of Hoothoot evolving, but it's too soon. So we just made it to What's this city called? I forgot what the city's called. Man, I'm such a pro. What is this city called? Ekritik. That's right. It's called Ekritik. I forgot my what? You forgot your last name. Alright, so I'm gonna heal because I got trashed by that drowsy. But you guys didn't see nothing. What's happening? That guy just fixed it! He just fixed the time capsule. Hi, I'm Bill. And who are you? Vloggy, huh? You've come at the right time. I just finished adjustments on my time capsule. Woohoo! I'm gonna transfer my Pokemon from Pokemon Red to this game. Oh man, I'm so excited. Hoot hoot, more like noot noot. I love my Pokemon games, Broken Tooth. I love them. This just got released on the eShop like 2 days ago. And I got it because I can transfer Pokemon now to the most recent games, like Sun and Moon and stuff, so that's why I got it. I'm doing great, Ma. Thank you for asking. How have you been? Yeah, I am using the super ultra latency thing, yeah. But I'm very late to reading the comments, so that's why there might be a delay. It is amazing, but it's still a bit iffy. It's not 100% working fine. There's some bugs with it. Sometimes it just starts buffering for everyone. And connection would be fine. OBS would be saying that there's no dropped frames. Everything's fine, but for some reason it just starts buffering. So it's still in beta version, I think. I don't know. Hey, Pokemon Play, welcome! So, what was I doing? This guy was telling me that the time capsule is fixed. I'm gonna get my Pokemon from Pokemon Red! Oh man, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, but I think I like it. Don't you worry, I'm done with the adjustments. Tomorrow, time capsules will be running at all Pokemon centers. I have to hurry, go to Goldenrod and see my folks. Bye bye! Okay, that's awesome. That is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna heal. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for the raid. Alright, let's heal the Pokemons. And this might get boring, but I'm gonna start transferring Pokemon from Red. First I need to catch a bunch of Rattatas or something, because otherwise... Yeah, I need to catch a bunch of Rattatas. Or whatever. Hold on, do I have any Pokeballs? You'll never be boring. Well, I'm playing video games, so I'm having a great day. Right? Right. Okay, I have 9 Great Balls. Is that gonna be enough? I'm gonna get a bunch more. Let's get Pokeballs instead. Let's get another. Ooh, I'm not gonna get 99. Let's just get 6. VB putting horse mask and dancing. You saw that, Philly, yeah? You saw that. It's been a while since I did one of those streams. It's been a while since I did a dancing, singing stream. But you know where the option is, right? Ma, you know where the option is when you stream. When you set up an event, it asks you like latency or low latency. It's like standard latency, low latency, and there's the ultra low latency. I can send you a screenshot if you want. Alright, so let me see if I can catch a bunch of Pokemon. What are the Pokemon like here? Let's see what we have. I'd rather not catch... Well, these Hoot-Hoots are really big, huh? No. I'm gonna have to backtrack. Actually, it's not that far, so no problem. It's not that far. It's just this way. We're in Violet City here. I used the low one, but in the past stream I haven't been able to click on... Really? Oh. Really? Maybe you should speak to CPG. You know what CPG is, right? Speak to CPG. Maybe it's a bug. Maybe you discovered something and they can work on it. CPG is our go-to guy whenever something's wrong with YouTube. Because he's like the liaison for the YouTube gaming community, it feels like. I don't know. Alright, so. But it is good, this low latency. I see that YouTube has done some great improvements recently with the sponsorships, with the custom emotes, and this low latency thing is good as well. Even the pending for approval comments, sometimes they say something very dodgy. So in chat it says comment pending approval before you accept it or decline it, whatever. I really like that. Alright, so let's catch a bunch of ratatas. Do I have to, am I gonna have to attack them? I hope not. Let's use the Pokeballs. I will have to catch around 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to catch around 9 ratatas. Oh, come on, really? You're gonna be like that, ratata? Really? Really? If I get 9, I need to get 9 ratatas. Yesterday I really spent a long time trying to catch a Ditto. It took me forever. I was getting angry. I don't always get angry, but when I do, it's because of a Ditto. I'm still so confused about what actually happened at the end of Life is Strange. I still haven't finished that game. Episode 5, I still haven't finished it. I played the first 4 episodes. I'm so stupid. I have a tendency of starting a game and never finishing it. I know, right? I just get distracted by other games, Snarly. I just get distracted with other games. I'm so stupid. I think I was doing a Let's Play once upon a time on my channel before I started actually streaming games. I did a Let's Play. I used to post 10 minutes episodes, 10 minutes of gameplay every day. I should probably continue that game. Life is Strange 2 came out, right? Is it out yet? I think episode 1 came out. I'm not gonna catch a Hoot Hoot. No, I'm not gonna catch Hoot Hoots because... Ah, man, but he's level 3. I'm gonna catch him, I don't care. Hey, Big Boss, welcome! Nice to see you, buddy. All is going well. What about you, Big Boss? How are you doing? How you doing? What? Why am I doing? Ah! Delete, 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 delete. End. You doing a Rocky impression then? Doing a Rocky impression. What am I? I don't know. Last Pokeball. I have no idea how many I caught yet. Thank you, Ma. You too. Ah, you stupid Hoot Hoot. Get in the ball! I'm gonna be using Great Balls now, so the chances of catching them is gonna be higher now, so... Veronica, late Marade. Nice to see you, Veronica. How are you? Did I like The Lost Legacy? It was fantastic. It was fantastic, Ma. Have you played it? Have you? It's really good, huh? It's really you love it. It's for a DLC game. It's quite decent. Yes, I loved it. And you know what the best part is about The Lost Legacy? I'm gonna start rambling about that now. But you know what the best part is about that game? I thought I was gonna miss Nathan Drake, but nothing. You don't miss Nathan because there's... Oh man, level 5 Hoot Hoots and I got a Great Ball and I cannot catch him? Really? out, out, no, 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 out, out. That's it. Bye, bye, bye. Anyway, so the thing is, you do not miss Nathan Drake, nothing, because the characters are so well developed and the humor is still there, everything is still there. You don't miss Nathan Drake, and that's a good thing. That's a good compliment to the game. Another hoot hoot, my goodness. You will love it. You know what I want to get, Ma? I want to get Biohazard 7, the Grotesque Edition. I want to get that. I saw you playing that, and I noticed some differences, and I want it just for the differences. I want to get that game. How many Pokeballs left? I got 6. Seriously, what's wrong with these Great Balls? Are they broken? Did he sell me a defective set? Really? A Feisty raid? Really? Really, Feisty? Feisty! Thank you so much. A lonely raid. Oh, it's the thought that counts. I'm gonna be honest, Feisty. I'm gonna confess something to you. I'm gonna confess something to you. I was actually on your stream. I was there for like an hour or so. I was there for like an hour or so, but I didn't speak. I was just lurking. I watched you do the whole glitch where you got all 3 starters. I was there the whole time, but I didn't chat because I was busy transferring Pokemon from one DS to the other. I was there though. I was just transferring Pokemon from one DS to the other because I'm about to do the time capsule now. So I'm gonna move my Pokemon Red team to this game. So I was busy doing that and lurking in the background while watching you. But it was fun. It was fun. Time to say hello to everybody that joined the Feisty raid. Hello Crazy Blade. Hello Assisting Rotom. Dean Beam is here as well. But he did the thing and it got blocked. He did the raid. Crazy Blade joined. Oh man, I really liked the glitch. I was just saying, actually I was talking about your stream before you showed up. I was just saying that I was watching you and now I want to do that. I want to do that. It's very interesting. It was very interesting. And you also mentioned, hey Gaming Kieran, welcome. You also mentioned a shiny Ditto, but you have to get to the Lake of Rage to do that. I'm curious about that too, so I'll be on your stream as well, whether lurking or not. I'll be there. You mentioned something, and I want to see what that is because apparently it increases your shiny odds or something. You can get all the Mr. Executor. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. So I'm looking forward to that because it's awesome to get all the shinies that you want. So yeah. Anyway, what was I doing? Yeah, I was catching a bunch of Rattatas because I'm about to transfer my Pokemon from Pokemon Red. Hey, I am Hi Feisty. Hi, I am Mushroom. 80% rate of getting them? That's fantastic. I'll make sure not to miss your next stream, for sure. Is it gonna be today? Because you have a tendency of streaming twice a day. Are you gonna stream again later today? So, let's get some more. How many Pokemon did I get? I have no idea. You know how to catch a shiny Ditto as well, Cheer. Why didn't you say anything? Later, no. Alright, have a party. Well, that's better. Yesterday I spent around 10 to 15 minutes struggling to catch a Ditto yesterday. I wanted to cry. Just to get this egg. How's this egg doing anyway? It moves around sometimes. There's a Totodile inside. But I wanted to test something. I wanted to test something because the parent Totodile knows Mudslap. I was wondering if the baby Totodile comes out with Mudslap as well. Just wanted to test, that's all. Yes, that's when I left your stream actually, when you were struggling for the dance bars. That's when I left. Oh, 1% chance. Wow, that's low. Yesterday I struggled with 5% to catch the toe. It was 5%. You still didn't get it? Oh, really? My goodness. VloggyBuddy, you need to eat some bugs on your next stream. It's been a while since I did one of those streams. Not stream, it wasn't a stream actually, it was a video. I miss doing those videos. Maybe I shall start doing them again. I really enjoyed sitting in the kitchen eating weird food. I love pizza, Kevin. I love pizza. Oh really? You're sleeping? You're level 5 and I'm using great balls. You still come out of the ball? That's balls, man. Mushy likes you. Yeah, I want to do more of those actually. I want to do more of those. Okay, so as soon as I'm done catching all these Rattatas, I have 3 balls left anyway, so... As soon as I'm done catching these Rattatas, I'm gonna go back to the Pokemon Center. Really? 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 You son of a biscuit? Really? Woke up. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for hanging out and thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate that. Mr. Executor, breeding male shiny Gyarados with female Ekans. I get hopefully a shiny male Ekans to breed. Does it work like that? Does it work like that? Alright, got the Rattata as well. So yeah, as soon as I'm done catching the Rattatas, I'm gonna head to the Pokemon Center and start using the capsule thing. I'm gonna get my team from Pokemon Red. I don't want Hoot Hoot. One in 128 chance. Well, that's not a big chance. I don't like those odds. Bellsprout. Let's catch the Bellsprout, why not? Mushy says goodnight. Last Pokeball, is it? Yes. Come on, come on, come on. One last one, one last one. Ooh, you butt wipe. Gen 2 is my favorite. Gen 2 is my all-time favorite. Mushy hates Bellsprout. It's super effective. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back to the... I don't know how many Pokemon I have. I need to have about 9. Oh, I already got the Ash Pikachu. You see, you can get only 1 out of 6 per game. You see, if you have 1 game, you can get 1. So I already claimed the... I claimed the original Ash hat. I already claimed the first one, and then I'll be claiming the second one. What I'm gonna do, if you guys are interested, I can clone them. I can clone as many as I want, and I can distribute them for those of you who would like a different kind of Pikachu hat. I can do that. What's my favorite Rock-type Pokemon? Hands down, Geodude. Hands down. I know it's very mainstream, very retro, but I love... I plan on getting all 6. Alright, so let me just deposit the ones that I don't want to... Alright, this is gonna be a bit painful, but I'm gonna do that. Breeding with shiny does increases rate to 1 to 64. 1 to 64. I still don't like the odds. 1 out of 64 is not a lot. It's not a good odd, in my opinion. Oh man. Alright, so deposit. I'm gonna deposit my team for the time being. Ghastly, get in there. Thank you for subscribing, Gaming Kieran. I appreciate that. I will try my best to entertain you. Deposit. Okay, so that one's gone as well. Oh, one more, one more. Totodile gets deposited as well. Do I have a big audience? I don't know. It's thanks to the raids. Ma just raided me. And even Feisty. They are so nice. How are you, Juan? Nice to see you. And Red Pokemon Trainer, welcome to the stream. So I'm gonna deposit the egg as well. And I'm going to withdraw the ones that I caught. A Ratata. Another Ratata. That's not my Hoot Hoot, is it? No. Alright, and the Togepi, why not? I don't need the Togepi. And, is that the Oddish? I don't know if that's the Oddish I caught to do cut. And the party's full anyway, so let's get the first 6. Let's get the first 6. I don't know if it's gonna work. This might be a bit boring for you guys to watch, but I'm just gonna... What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be transferring the Pokemon Red team. So, I'm sorry for the... What? What? But you just said... But you said... What? But he said that... What? 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 Your random encounter odds are 1 in 1,000, 8,192. Really? Whoa. Whoa. I just noticed face-to-face's comment as well. What? Oh, man. Well, I guess those odds are better than 1 in 64. Alright, so, what I'm gonna do... It didn't work. Why is the time capsule not working? Why is the time capsule not working? When does it work? I thought it would work. There was the guy. There was the guy. He said he fixed it. Ah. Alright, whatever. Is it better than shiny chaining in Sun and Moon? Really? I thought the chaining in Sun and Moon was really good. The first time I played the game, the first time I played Sun and Moon, I was actually streaming it. Alright, the first time I'm playing it, blind run. Alright, I run into a shiny Psyduck. I was so excited on the stream. I wasn't even hunting or anything, I was just walking around. Alright, so I'm gonna have to deposit everything back in again. I'm gonna play, I have to fight Shred. Ooh, nice. So, I'm gonna deposit these guys back again. Does anybody know when it starts working, the time capsule? Oh, wrong PC. Shiny hunting in Sun and Moon with shiny charm is 1 in 256. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad, I think. Well, I mean, I know I just said 1 in 64 is still not good. But now that I know the actual figures, compared to 8,000. Alright, so... I hate the... fact that the Kalium capsule is not working. Damn it. I don't know how it's not working. Ah well. So what do I do first? Do I go to the tower? Oh, there's gonna be the rival in there. I remember that. There he is. Is he gonna battle me? Come on, battle me. Oh, it's you. You wanted to get stronger, so you came for the legendary Pokemon? That's supposed to be here. That's your story, right? Well, that's not going to happen, because I'm going to get it. I'm going to be the world's greatest trainer. So a legendary Pokemon would be perfect for me. Well, anyway, I'm getting tired of having a wimp like you always showing up. Oh, there we go. Nice. I'm gonna show off my Pokemon moves. Got it in 59,000 encounters. Wow, that's crazy. Come on, that would be a boring stream. 59,000 encounters. Well, I don't know, that's just my opinion though. Alright, so, Nightshade. Here we go. Yeah, that's a good question. How long it took? Yes, Ghastly does turn into a hunter. Hunter! Alright. I'm gonna switch Pokemon now. Not sure what to use. I'm gonna use Hoot Hoot. Actually, Totodile. It's gonna be a bite fest. I know, right? The DSi. I mean, I don't know about DSi, but DS Lite, the screen feels so small these days. I haven't been able to flinch one Pokemon yet with my bite. I do love the red Gyarados. In fact, I am gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it, but I won't be training it in this game. I'm gonna move it over to what's it called? Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. That's where I'll be training that Pokemon. Actually, Kevin, I don't think I'm gonna need any help to trade, because I have two 3DSs. So I don't know I don't know if trading the Pokemon over the time capsule counts as a trade for it to evolve. I'm not so sure about that. We'll see. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I don't like Farfetch'd. Farfetch'd? Can I do this? Can I pull this off? Hypnosis. If I can pull this off, Hoot Hoot will get some serious XP. Please don't wake up. Please don't wake up. He is gonna wake up, is he? No? Ooh, why does this always happen when I'm playing? There we go. Shiny Grubbin. From time to time I like to do giveaway streams. I give away shiny Pokemon. Obviously they're not legit, but if some people are okay with it, they can show up and they can grab shiny Pokemon. So from time, it's like once a month I like to do that. I do a stream in which I give away shiny Pokemon. Right now I'm currently giving away shiny starters. I gave away the Kanto, the Johto and the Hoenn region. So yeah. You leaving, Crazy Blade? Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. 2043 SOS account, that's a lot. Wow. Okay, no problem, Crazy Blade. I appreciate you hanging out. You do what you gotta do. Run. Coughing! I think down here I can also find some magmars. Gyarados, Dragon Rage and Hyper Beam. Yeah, I love the Hyper Beam. I love the Hyper Beam, especially the sound it makes. 169 encounters. Ouch. I don't think I have the patience for that. I think I'm gonna need Rock Smash to do this. Yeah, I need Rock Smash. I cannot do this. Alright, let's do the dancing school or whatever it is. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Why are you here, man? Ah, youngster, have you learned to dance like the kimono girls? Yeah, I'll get a Geodude, no problem, I will. I find these kimono girls very entertaining. Hopefully the stream never ends. Ah, that's very sweet of you to say, Kevin. I appreciate that. Flareon. So, Pokemon, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna switch to Totodile. You know it's one. He's gonna try to do the same move, but you won't. As if. As if, Totodile. Not yet. It's too soon. Hold on, I need to reply to a text real quick. Bear with me. Okay. I don't like to evolve my Pokemon. People keep asking me that. First of all, you only get to enjoy them once, being babies, kind of. So once they grow, you can't go back to that. You know what I mean? So that's one. But the main reason why I don't like to evolve them is because they learn their moves faster. Nightshade attack! What's my favorite Eevee evolution? Oh, that is a very good question, Big Boss, but I cannot answer right now. I cannot answer right now. But hopefully, I will answer you in this stream. Within this stream, not next stream. No! No, 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 I got distracted by chat. You see, it's very hard. It's very hard to it's very hard to play games and stream at the same time. Man, I could have gotten some good XP out of that one. That's okay. I'm gonna go heal. Oh, trying to learn? Reflect. Boo! No. I'm gonna go heal and I'll be right back. Okay, no problem, Kieran. No problem. Oh, I really wanted to get my Pokemon from Red. Why is this not working? Smell you later. I don't know what just happened. Sup, girl? This is my favorite Pokemon. This is my favorite Eevee evolution. Is it gonna work, Nightshade, against him? Ouch, 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 ouch. Alright, that's it. That's it. Actually... Really? Does it work like that? You have to meet Bill in a critique city. I just did meet Bill in a critique city. But I have to wait 24 hours. So I guess I won't be getting my Pokemon today. Boo. Why is that Snobrion snoring off its ass? It's farting. Alright, let's do this. Vaporeon! Vaporeon is gorgeous as well, huh? No, doesn't. Hey, look! It's Swalby! Swalby's in the house. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. I have to every time you show up. Every time. You should totally play Pokemon, Swalby. You won't have any viewers, but I will watch. I love me some Pokemon. I know that most of my subscribers subscribe because of... Oh, come on! Come on, Ghastly! I know most people subscribe because initially I started playing Minecraft, and then I switched to Resident Evil, and now lately I've been playing a lot of Pokemon. So, I understand. I do remember the episode, Big Boss, yes I do. Now I'm gonna do something very stupid. Alright, I'm gonna do something very stupid, but I wanna show you I wanna prove a point, basically. Pokemon. And I'm going to switch to Totodile because the next trainer now has a Jolteon. So it's a type advantage for Jolteon, not for me. I'm going to be using my Totodile. So you're going to think it's very stupid of me to do that. But I'm going to prove something. That my Totodile is tougher. Uh-oh. 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 I'm still gonna prove a point. I'm still gonna prove a point. Uh-oh. Come on, Totodile, you can do this! Oh, come on, Totodile, you can do this. You can really do this. I know you can. Oh, come on! Oh, no! Oh, that is so cheap. That's so cheap. Alright, it didn't work. It didn't work. I tried. I tried. That's fine. It really showed us. Oh man. But the thing is, I got paralyzed. That's what went against me. Alright. And my Mud Slap was supposed to reduce his accuracy. That's what I was going for. Reduce his accuracy with No, Chris, I'm not doing a challenge. Well, yeah, the challenge just finished the game. Well, what I'm doing really is I'm playing the games from start to finish, red and now silver, and then the Hoenn region. I'm gonna be doing all the regions, and every single time I finish a game, I'm gonna move the Pokemon from the old game to the new game that I'm playing. So I'm in the process of transferring the Pokemon from Pokemon Red to this game. That's what I'm doing. I'm moving the teams basically, moving them around. That is kind of the challenge. Have you played? Yeah, of course I played Pearl. Pearl is the reason why I ruined my eyesight. Pearl is the reason why I needed glasses. You stopped because of the bug tasting. Oh man. Yeah, many people stop because of my boxes, for example, when I do the unboxing things. People love those. It's amazing. It's just me opening boxes and finding toys. But yeah, I mean, some people stop because of my vlogs. I used to vlog back in the day. Me walking around with my phone, talking to myself. Alright, so... No. Alright, so... Pokemon. Exactly, because of no pants as well. You see, everybody has their reason. They're all 23. What a lucky coincidence. Alright, so... There's the gym. Let's go. Now, here's the strategy. I'm gonna start with Ghastly. I'm gonna start training Ghastly. Once Ghastly goes down, it's Totodile. I'm actually playing Silver right now. 2 on my 3DS, just beat the Azalea Gym, and I'm doing great so far. That's good to hear. It's a good game, isn't it? It's my favorite. This is my favorite. I love me some second gen. You won? Wow! You won! Because Cheer keeps gambling away his pants and he keeps losing. You see, I'm trying to prove a point that gambling is wrong. And Cheer really helps me. Cheer really helps me prove that point. I never watched Pokesins, no. Alright, so Lick is super effective, but Nightshade isn't. How is that? How does it work? They're both ghost type moves. That's so stupid. Can you check change plans for Zero? No. Yeah, even the music is great. I agree, Chris. Yeah, I agree. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. Oh, he just paralyzed me. Yes, he did. Alright, so. Two ghost balls. I think I'm gonna switch to Lick actually, yes. Because Lick is... I don't understand this. They're both ghost type moves. Look how powerful it is. Alright, that was critical, okay. Never mind. That happened to be critical. I'm gonna go heal because I'm paralyzed. Oh, I can't. I have to keep going, okay. I'm gonna keep going with the lick. I'm gonna go keep licking, baby. Oops, okay. I'm paralyzed, so he goes first. That's fine. You like that, Ace Max. Alright, I'm gonna switch to how to dial. I'm gonna... What about Mud Slap? Does it work? I'm not going anywhere, don't worry. Don't worry, Ghastly, I'm not going anywhere. Alright, so I got Mud Slap. That's very effective against ghost types, apparently. Everybody keeps saying that one. Everybody keeps saying that. Everybody loves that Totodile up there. Everybody keeps saying they're distracted by it. I love Totodile, it's my favorite. The reason why I went with Totodile this time as well is because it's the first Pokemon that I ever chose in Gen 2, so I decided to go for it. Alright, so... and funnily enough, Ash's Totodile in the anime dances all the time. Is always dancing and jumping. It's cute. I'm gonna go heal. Ah, that's why, Executor, that's why. Nightshade is a move with fixed damage, and since your Ghastly is level 23, only 22 damage. Ah! Is it a good move? Is it worth keeping, though? I don't think it's good, eh? I'm gonna go with Lick. I'm gonna keep licking. Hey, thank you for subscribing, Chris. I appreciate that. It's Raiden level 100. My Ghastly's not gonna be 100 though. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... Bite. Did I heal? Wait a sec. I didn't heal. What's going on? Did I not heal? What did I do? Man, I'm so distracted. Did I heal? I don't think I healed. I didn't heal. What am I doing? Oh man. Oh man, I'm so distracted. Alright, let's bite again. That is so funny. I walked to the Pokemon Center for nothing. That's so funny. It never happens to me, Cheer. It's only when I'm streaming I get distracted with chat and stuff. I'm not complaining. I love interacting with you guys. Don't die. Nope. Let's go heal for real now. How funny is it? I walked in. You know what I did? I walked in. I spoke to Nurse Joy, and instead of spamming the A button, that I wanted to heal, I spammed the B button, so I said no probably. So funny. Alright, so... I'm about to get me the next badge. So I want to tell you how I'm playing this game right now. I'm playing this on my 3DS, alright? I'm playing this on my 3DS, but it has a capture card. The capture card is connected to my computer, and the computer is connected to my big TV, alright? So I'm actually playing Pokemon on the big TV. Who needs a Game Boy player on the GameCube or the SNES, whatever? I'm playing this on my 32-inch TV. Now he's doing the Nightshade. Yeah, I modded my 3DS. Yeah, but the TV is acting as a monitor to my laptop. I'm gonna go heal again, guys. It cost me a lot of money to get this capture card on my 3DS. I got it last year, just for to stream Pokemon Sun and Moon. That's why. I'm not back, if you notice. You're not back? Okay. Okay, Crazy Blade, you're not back. And here I have my other 3DS. I thought I was gonna trade my Pokemon team from Red. Oh well, I guess not. Yes, they are. Yes, they are expensive, but it's the only way you can have a capture card. You need to have somebody do it for you, so obviously they're gonna exploit the fact that there's not many businesses that do that. Ghastly. Alright, lick. It's very unlikely, Ace Max. I think it's very unlikely though. I have a PSP. I have a few games I want to stream from my PSP one day. But that's gonna happen with an emulator, of course. Hey, Ivan's here! Welcome! It's true. You are right, Chris, yeah. It does, it does. Exactly, yeah, Ace Max, that's a good emulator. Come on, you got this! Alright. Ooh, he got me. Down. There we go. Gym leader's next. I'm gonna heal. Oh, one more. Let's talk about the fact that I'm about to fight the gym leader. Do you think I'm gonna beat him at first try? No? Crazy Best says no. Oh, okay. Chris says yes. I am gonna beat him at first try. Yesterday I beat Whitney first try. Really? Okay. What about Cheer? What does Cheer think? What do you think, Cheer? Do you think... No, I have a very good strategy. It's not gonna fail. Only because I have the word no. Well, no is a good word. I need to start learning to say that more often, actually. The word no. Executor. Nicely said. Oopsie. Check this guy out. Check out how big his eyebrows are. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. Am I gonna get the next badge? Yes I am. Because I'm hip. Good one. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Prepare to get trashed, Morty. Prepare to get trashed, Morty. I'm gonna play it safe. You're watching the bug video. The girls I did the bug video with, actually I'm not gonna say anything. They're good friends. They're cousins, actually. They're cousins. Those two. Look at that. Why does it happen so often? Look at that. Always. Story of my life. Yeah, it's true, Big Boss. Yeah. So one is down. Ooh, come on. Hunter. Hunter. I'm gonna keep doing the same strategy. I don't like Sunkern really, but I think it's a good Pokemon. I mean, as far as grass type Pokemon go. Lick. Welcome back, Kieran. Really? Gengar! Alright, let's do this. This might be the tough one. Hypnosis. Oh, wow! Ooh, okay. 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 That's okay. I got my Totodile. No! Okay, 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 no problem, no problem, no problem. Still no problem. I have an idea. I have an idea. Actually, I think the Hunter after Gengar is even tougher. Haha, joke's on you, Gengar! I bet you didn't see that one coming. No! Are you kidding me? I don't think he'll be able to G-meter me though. I think G-meter is a ghost type move, so I don't think he's gonna do anything. Oh, it does, okay. So it's a psychic type then. And it's a very strong move as well. Okay. No problem, guys. No problem, no problem, no problem. Ah, Saka. Are you kidding me, man? That's okay. That's okay. You know what? Let's lower his accuracy. Let's lower his accuracy. Let's lower his accuracy as much as possible. Again. Again. And again. One more, one more. I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm not going anywhere, Gengar. It's okay. You like my strategy now, huh? You piece of garbage. You piece of garbage, Morty! Alright, bite. We're gonna be okay now. Oh, come on! Why does this always happen to me? There we go. It's like all Pokemon I fight have sturdy. Should I try again with the inaccuracy? Let's go again. Not going anywhere, Hunter, don't worry. Jeez, I don't know, Rick! I cannot do a Morty. Oh, jeez, Rick! Oh, no PP left. Oh, GG, Hunter. Well done, well played. And I won. And I won. First attempt. Oh, I got a badge now. I need to update my... I need to update my layout, hold on. Because I have to. Because I have to. Welcome back, I am. So, it's called the Fog Badge. So, F-O-G. There it is. I'm gonna put my DS down real quick. There it is. I'm just gonna fix it real quick. It's still a bit big. There we go. That's good enough. GG. Oh no, your internet's gonna die! Alright, so... we got this. What move is he gonna give me? I think he's gonna give me Shadow Ball, yes? I think it's better than Lick. Alright, so... I'm gonna teach him Shadow Ball. Shadow Boru! I like what you did there. Alright, but Ghastly can't learn more than 4 moves. Delete another move? Yes, please. I'm gonna remove... Actually, I don't even use Spite. I'm gonna remove Spite, actually. It's stupid. I don't use Spite. I'm all about offense. Thanks, please. Alright, we got that. That's a shortcut. That's what I always say as well. Alright, I'm gonna check again just in case. Maybe 24 hours have passed. Maybe 24 hours have passed. Or maybe Cheer was wrong. No, Cheer is right. Actually, Bill did say in 24 hours, but I didn't believe him. So I believe Cheer instead of Bill. Have you got surf yet? Nope. Nope. So I'm gonna get some more Pokeballs. Hey, it's Dada! Da. It's Dodo. Hello, Dodo. I'm gonna get some great balls. Great balls of fire. Yeah, you are. Thank you. We need to surf it up, bruh. We are gonna surf it up. Don't worry. Where'd you get surf? I forgot where you got surf. Where'd you get surf? I forgot. Is it this guy over here? Where'd you get surf? I forgot. Does anybody know where I get surf? I don't feel like looking it up. I don't know why, but I feel like somebody gives me surf here. Item finder, okay. Alright, no problem. He's talking too much, man. Dude, let me go. Okay, Kira, no problem. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Take care. No, this is... Nobody's gonna give me... I love how this guy, like... Nope. Oh. There's gonna be a guy that goes nope. There's gonna be a guy that goes nope. I don't know where, but there's gonna be a guy that goes nope. Let's find him. No, it's not this guy. Well, I mean, this guy is noping. I'm gonna have to look up Surf, because I have... Actually, Surf, no, you get it in Allvine City. We're headed there now. We're gonna go to Allvine City right now. Right now. Can I use bicycle here? Yes. Let's go. This guy used to go nope, but I think I got the badge now, so he lets me pass. No, it's not the dancing girl that gives you surf, really? I thought it was at Allvine. Hold on, you could be right, actually. You could be right. This guy? I think so, I think you're right. There you go. Who said that first? Yeah, Mr. Executor. Thank you so much, Executor. I'm gonna cough now, hold on. Thank you so much. I thought you get it at Allvine. Well done, thank you. I'm gonna teach him surf right now. This one's for you, Executor. No! What did I delete? No, what did I forget? Oh my goodness. I was spamming the A button. It's happening way too often. Oh man. It's happening way too often. At least I only removed Scratch. That's okay. Scratch. I'm eventually gonna remove Scratch to replace it with Slash. That's okay. My goodness, I need to be more careful. It happens all the time. It happens all the time to me. I'm spamming the A button and I make mistakes. Whew. Oh, at least it was just Scratch. It could have been worse. Wow. I was gonna replace Scratch with Slash. So when it's time for me to learn Slash, I'll forget water gun instead, because I was gonna replace it with water gun. That's okay, no worries. Oh man, that's what you get for spamming. It's true. I spammed the A button, so I think it scrolls the text faster. I think. I love this music. I'm gonna put the music up a little bit. I'm dancing. Alright, that's enough. That's enough, let's go. Now I'm looking for something here. I don't know, I want to make sure that it can be found. No, that's not a Meowth, definitely not. No Meowth. No Meowth. I want to check the route I'm on real quick first. Route 38. Hold on. Give me a second. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't like this. I'm gonna have to backtrack. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to backtrack. I'm gonna be fast about this. What route is this? This is 37. Not good enough. Actually, I think I can go through here. What route number is this? Ruins. I have no idea what route number is this. Hold on, I'm getting confused now. Ah, Sakura's here! Hello, Sakura. Hey, Barnett, welcome. I'm here. I want to ask you, why don't you evolve your Pokemon? Again, everybody asked me this question. Thank goodness I don't mind repeating myself. It's because, no, it's because they learn their moves faster like this. That's what it is. They learn their moves faster. Plus, they're cute little ones. I like little ones. I don't know what route am I on right now. Route 32, route 30. Okay, good. This is a good route. Alright, so I want to check the probability though. Hold on. The percentage. Okay, that's good. It's night though. So it's night. Okay. Alright, it's 10%. Alright, good enough. Let's go. Let's get this going. Time for a new Pokemon, guys. Route YOLO. Alright. Guys, time for a new Pokemon. Wooper is a good Pokemon, actually. It would be my second choice if it wasn't for Totodile. Ekans! No, I don't like Ekans. It's just the one type. It's poison and that's it. I don't like Ekans. He looks good. He's a good-looking Pokemon, but... Did you know that Ekans is snake backwards? What are we hunting? It's a secret. It's a secret. I cannot tell you. And Arbok is Cobra backwards. I know. I know. Buzzsprout. Heracross? Really? Is it that hard to get? I think to get Heracross you need to splatter the honey on the tree or something. Race car backwards, I know. How long? I wonder how long this is gonna take. There's a 10% chance of encountering this Pokemon. It's not that long. Should be that hard to find. It shouldn't take that long. Dog. Because I was looking at dog is God backwards. Dog is God. And Pots is stop backwards. Whoopa! Long pause. Come on. Where are you? Show yourself. Isn't that what I said? Stop his pots. That's what I said, no? Oh, Sakura backwards is Arukas. And it's used in Resident Evil 2. There's a restaurant called Arukas. Did you know that? Did you know that, Sakura? There's a reference to Sakura in Resident Evil 2. There's a restaurant, it's called Arukas, Sakura backwards. You didn't know that? I thought I told you that. Sorry, I was spamming the A button. I'm gonna change the grass patch. The nope intensifies. Come on, man! 10% means that every 10 Pokemon I run into, one of them should be the one I'm looking for. I did it again, sorry. It wasn't the intention. I'm just busy. I'm just got distracted doing something right now. Hold on. Sorry. I call bull as well. And I keep doubting myself, like, am I on the right route? Am I doing a boo-boo? Focus, Vloggy. Yes, I need to focus. Because I was doing something. I want to show you something real quick. Hold on. I want to show you the Arukas thing real quick. There it is. Look, this is a screenshot from Resident Evil 2. Look, the restaurant is called Arukas. That's Sakura spelled backwards. That's a reference for Sakura. It's not a joke. I'm serious. Anyway, I thought I would just I'd just point that out. Let's go. Hey, Karin is here. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Boom. I bet you didn't see that one coming. Huh? Uh-oh. 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 I'm afraid to attack the Mareep because I'm scared that it might kill it. I'm afraid that I might be too strong. Here, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Here, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Da, 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 da. I got him. That is my... It's a her, actually. I wanted her to be a female. My Mareep. So that's my new Pokemon. And with that in mind... Bah! Bah! Where is it? Why is it invisible? Oh yeah, that's why. There we go. Bah! Bah! Oh, so cute! My baby Bah! Should I make it a bit bigger? Something like that, perhaps? Why not? Bah! I love my Mareep! She's so cute! Alright, so, where was I? I need to calm down. Mareep's data was newly added to the Pokédex. Bah! Mareep, the wool-type Pokemon. Its fleece grows continually. In summer, the fleece is fully shed, but it grows back in a week. I hate your Mareep. Why? It's a bah! Give a nickname to the Mareep? Nope. So I'm gonna go heal now. Mareep is awesome. Mareep is gonna be one tough Pokemon. Trust me when I say that. Alright, so that's what I was looking for. I'm gonna go heal real quick. My Mareep is okay. Mareep, are you okay? Yeah, it's gonna be one tough on Pharaohs one day. One day, when it learns Thunder. Yeah, I love Wooper as well. Hello, Lewis, welcome. So yeah, I love Wooper as well. What I hate about Wooper is that it's slow. It doesn't have much speed. Alright, so I'm gonna switch Pokemon now. Pokemon? Mareep is gonna go at the top. That's how it's gonna be. Mareep needs some training now, huh? Na 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 na. There's no way my Mareep can take out this Hoot, so I'm just gonna let it go. No, 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 no! No, 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 please, 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 let me go. Let me go, let me go, let me go. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. Oh my goodness. Really? Really? You're doing this? You're doing this? Okay, you're doing this. We're doing this. Let me show you my Hoot. Let me show you the power of a real Hoot. What I'm trying to do with this playthrough is that I'm trying to catch all the Pokemon that I caught originally when I played this for the first time. These are the Pokemon I had the first time I played this. I'm gonna have to go heal again. Actually, I think instead of Ghastly, I had a Geodude though. What's the favorite Johto Pokemon of everyone? Well, I'm gonna be very mainstream and I say the starter Totodile is my favorite. I'm sorry, it's very mainstream. So I've played a lot of Pokemon. I streamed a lot of Pokemon lately. Too many Pokemon games lately. I streamed like 5 or 6 streams at one go. It's not what I usually do, but lately I've been feeling a lot of Pokemon lately. So what I'm gonna do is my next stream won't be Pokemon. It's gonna be Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, which will be on Monday. Hear a crow? Alright, so let's do this. I've been overseas, so I know about all sorts of Pokemon. Ah, the Togepi plush sounds awesome! Yesterday I saw a lovely Cyndaquil plush. It looks really good. I have a Pikachu plush, but he's cosplaying, dressed up as a Charizard Y. He's very cute. Mareep! Meh! Pokemon. And I'm gonna switch over to Hoothoot. Let's do Peck. So yeah, I'll be taking a break from streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow I won't be streaming for sure. I've been streaming every day, sometimes even twice a day. So I'll take a break from streaming. But I'll come back on Monday with Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. And I think it will be a long stream. I think it will be a long stream on Monday. Like 4 or 5 hours for sure. No. Pokemon, I'm gonna take a break from Pokemon. And then I'll come back with Pokemon on Wednesday, probably. Let the whooper whoop you. Alright, so let's keep going. Hello, girl. I spent 5 minutes looking for my DS, only to find out it was in my hand the whole time. What? Really? It happens to me with my phone sometimes, but I don't take 5 minutes. I take like 5 seconds. Fluffy! That's the evolved form of my Mareep one day. Meh! How cute! Alright. Maybe I can pull this off. Maybe I can pull this off. I'm gonna try something. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Ouch. When it's a new game, when it's a new release, like Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon next month, next November anyway, I don't like to plan out my theme. I like to go as it goes along. If I randomly encounter a Pokemon that I wasn't expecting, that I think it's really tough, I'll just catch it. That's it. I don't like to plan. Thunder Shock, nice. Can I pull this off? I don't think so. Ah, there's no way I'm gonna pull this off. Psyduck! I've never done a Nuzlocke in my life, ever. I would love to give it a go one day. Kevin. Okay, Executor, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Take care. Is that an item? We'll see. Ah, he locked me inside. I have to take the other way around now. Stupid. Mr. Mime! Ah, my Hoot Hoot is paralyzed. We'll try. My Totodile, I mean, was paralyzed. Do I have a full restore? I don't. Have paralyze heal. Oh, come on, really? I haven't caught many shinies in my life. Come on, don't... Ah! Okay. Fine. I'm gonna find one for sure, Chris. It's the Gyarados. This is so annoying. And I'm gonna be training the Gyarados, but not in this playthrough. I'm gonna transfer him to the Hoenn region and I'll train him from there. If you guys are interested in shinies, I can make a giveaway. I mean, I do give away every month, but if you're interested, make sure you are on the stream when I'm giving away. Everybody's on stream gets a Pokemon. Definitely. Can I pull this off? No, I don't think I can. Yeah, sure, get your 3DS and get a Pokemon, Sakura. Can you give away cereal? One day I'm gonna send you some cereal, Juan. I'm gonna go heal. Can you do a shiny request with Megastone? Why not? Maybe one day. Right now I'm giving away all the starters from every generation. I gave away the Kanto starters, the Hoenn starters, and the Johto starters. So next is Sinnoh region. Is it the Sinnoh region next? But yeah, I'll be giving them away for sure. Okay, no problem, Juan. Take your time. I'm gonna be streaming for another 15 minutes probably, and then I'll call it. I said no, you see? I was spamming the B button. I'll be giving away shiny Chimchars for sure. Vloggy, you should get these two Pokemon. Rakuna Ratata. It's Kakuna Ratata. But I see what she did there. So, come on. Oh, come on. There we go. So I have to go through here. Magnemite. Oh really? Are you gonna do this? Are you gonna do this really? Oh man! Frickin'. I'm not gonna bother with that trainer. I can't run! Slowpoke. Can I take out the Slowpoke? I'm injured. No, I'm not gonna risk it. Totodile, you're up. I love how chill Slowpoke is. Look how chill he is. Ah, Slowpoke. I'm gonna switch around again so they get experience. No, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna struggle with the next gym leader. I don't have a fire type. I just realized I got 4 badges already, so that means I'm halfway in Johto already. You see, I want to make a comment on your last comment, Crazy Blade. You said I want to be a legal player. I am like that too. I want to be a legal player. But some people might be like, this is coming from the guy that generates hacked Pokemon and distributes them online. But the thing is this, I want to be a legal player, but the game doesn't allow me to be a legal player. How am I supposed to get certain Pokemon? I don't live in the US. I don't have distribution from movies and stuff like that. It's annoying. So certain events I'm gonna miss out on. So you have to hack Pokemon, you know what I mean? This is the first time I ever got a legit Celebi in my life, because before, Celebi was impossible to get. Pikachu! Alright, let's see if my Totodile can handle a Pikachu. The events are crazy. Because of the events, I'm not able to get certain Pokemon, and that's not fair. Just because I live on this area of this part of the planet, that's not fair. I bought the game. I paid as much as everyone else. You know. It's 3:45 AM right now. Wow. It's almost 8 PM here. It's 7:45 PM. Ah, you got it from an event. There you go. It's very hard to get certain Pokemon. It's not fair. Yeah, I've used his Thunderbolt, but that's why I'm doing Mud Slaps, because he's gonna miss when he attempts it. Look. Oh, it always happens. There we go. Alright, okay, let's go. We'll make it to Olvine City and I'm gonna call it. another Pikachu. Alright, so, 8 PM. It's gonna be 8 PM very soon. It's 7:46 right now. Okay, let's try again with the Totodile. Totodile! I always use my rare candies when I get to the Elite Four. Always. Oh, come on, really? Are you saying my Pokemon are weak, big boss? Come on, man. Really? Wow. He's doing a number on me, yeah? With the evasiveness. There we go. I'm gonna do the same thing to him now. There we go. Critical. Good. Yeah, there you go. Once, when Pokemon X and Y was out, was it X and Y? I forgot. Yeah, it was X and Y, yes. When X and Y came out, there was a promotion in GameStop. You had to go to the store and you get cards and you scratch the number or something. I forgot what it was. Yeah, you get codes, and then with the codes, you get a shiny Gengar with Gengarite with the Mega Stone. And it was only at GameStop, but I happened to be in London that week. I happened to be in London, and there's a GameStop there, and I went to pick up the code. That's how I got it. But yeah, I had to be in London to do that, you know. I think this guy has a Poliwag, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Poliwhirl. I don't forget. But I don't think I'm gonna stand a chance against him. So, let's leave it for now. I need to train my Hoot Hoot. Oh, come on, you're gonna miss a tackle? Come on! We don't have GameStop here in my country. Look at this. This is so cheap. I'm gonna get some good XP out of this one because he's evolved. I think that's how it works. Nice. I have to keep switching back and forth so that my Mareep gets some training. I caught my Mareep at level 6. She's already level 14, look at that. Oh, nice, Crazy. That's a strong move. I hate Hyper Fang. I hate... Ooh! Can I pull this off? Nope. It is a good move. I hate Hyper Fang, in fact. But now it's gonna start missing because of my Mud Slaps. Okay, or not. Hey, let's try something new. I haven't used this attack yet. There we go. Level 15. Can I pull this off? Krabby is level 19. Can I pull this off? I'm gonna try. Bubble. Bubble! Come on, I think you can do this. Come on, you can do this! Mareep's first victory. Ooh, nice, Mareep. Thunderwave, nice. Big victory for her. Haha, you're a long way from evolving. What level does my Mareep evolve? Hold on. I mean, by my standards, I mean. By my standards. So... 37. Level 37, I'll evolve my Mareep. Level 37. It's gonna be a while. Well, that's okay. Is that it? Are we in the city? We built this city! We made it. No! 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 You again! There's no need to panic. I don't bother with wimps like you. Okay, thank you. Please don't bother with me. Okay, Sakura, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You're awesome. Take care. Bye, have a great time. Okay, so let me just check this time capsule. I want my Pokemon. You've been here, so that means you collected a lot of pants, Crazy Blade. I have a currency system on my stream. The longer you're in my stream and the longer you chat, you earn pants points. So check how many pants you have to type exclamation pants. There you go, like Cheers doing right now. Cheers got 41 pants right now, and you can gamble them. You can gamble your pants by doing exclamation bet. And yeah, like Cheers doing right now. He's betting 1 point, and boo, he lost his 1 pant, basically. You see, Chris Koala got 43 pants right now. Yeah, the final evolution is Ampharos, but one day we're gonna see this Ampharos turn into a Mega Ampharos, you know? Sakura's back! Alright, so... what am I gonna do? You know what? I'm gonna play for another half an hour. Because I say so. How many pants does Vloggy have? I don't know. But you know what? I don't chat and stream, so I won't be having any pants. Hold on. Oh yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check how many pants I have, and whatever the amount is, I'm gonna bet them all. Bet all of them right away. So, pants. Vloggy never wears pants. No, I'm not wearing pants. Look, these are my ties. Ooh, 1097. These are my ties. Those are my exposed ties. Alright, so I'm gonna bet all of them right now. 1097. Ah, Stefan is here. Hey, Stefan! Welcome, buddy. Ooh, I won. So 2194 pants. I'm gonna award everyone right now in chat 1000 pants points just because I feel like doing that. Alright, so hold on. reward 1,000. Everybody just got 1,000 pants just now. It should be, yeah? Yeah, VloggyBuddy rewarded everyone in chat with 1,000 pants points. So everybody has 1,000 pants points now. Cheers! Seriously? Just bet 1,000? No! Boo indeed. Boo indeed. Yeah, let's get back to the game. Why not? Ooh, this is interesting. Sakura's betting 500. I think you broke my bot. Sakura, I always break my bots. My Discord bot, everything. Because I think there's a cooldown. That's what it is. There's a cooldown. There's no point in going back up there, actually. Well, there's one trainer that I missed, and I'm dying to beat this trainer. Hold on. 400? You're gonna bet 400? I think there's a cooldown, though. I don't think it's gonna work for now. I missed this trainer. I needed to battle her. Beauty Valerie sent out Hoppip. I love Hoppip, huh? Alright, so... Pokemon... Hoot Hoot, you're up. Sakura broke the bot. Oh, she lost! You are cocky. You are cocky. Everybody's betting big. Don't bet big. Everybody's betting all they have. Everybody's losing. Wow. VloggyBuddy, come on. Be nice. Yeah, I did. Gave everybody 100. Maybe you weren't active in chat. If you're not active in chat, that doesn't count you in. That's what happened. If you're not active in chat, Nightbot doesn't know that you're in the game. Okay, Sakura's going all in. Alright, if Sakura... Hold on, before Sakura... Hold on. I won 20 pants points. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Let's play this game. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. 1. How many pants points do you have? 1, right now. Show me how many pants points you have. Alright, so you have 236. Gamble all of them. Gamble all 236. If you win, I'm going to award 1,000 to everyone once again. That's how it's gonna go. Let's do this. If it's all on you. It's all on you, Juan. Bet all of it. If you win, everybody wins. 1,000 pants points. You got nothing to lose. Well, except everything. Let's see. Oh, he lost them! He lost them! That was hilarious. What about Cheer? Cheer has 5 pants points. Who has a lot of pants? Come on, I want to try someone else. Ooh, Chris Koala, nice. Alright, what about Sakura? How many pants do you have, Sakura? I'm enjoying the gambling game on chat instead of me playing the actual game on screen. So, Sakura won. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pick on Chris now. Chris, gamble 2,000 points. If you win, everybody gets another 1,000. You can choose not to, obviously. You can choose not to. What will it be? Yes, Chris has to gamble 2,000, and if he wins, everybody gets 1K. It's all on Chris. Oh, he went for it. Oh, he did it. He did it. He did it. All right, you know what? Sakura's right. 2 for 2. Fair enough. 2 for 2. Everybody's gonna get 2K. You better be active in chat if you want the pants right now. Here it comes. Here it comes. Boom. Alright, everybody should have 2,000 pants now. Alright, I'm gonna keep playing now, because... getting distracted. Give me all the pants. If you can bet, it's a gamble. It's a gamble. Let's see if Juan got his pants now. Yeah, I got his pants. Alright, everybody has 2,000 pants. Enjoy now. I'm gonna keep playing the game now, okay? Please, please. That was hilarious. You see, you guys get to enjoy a little game. As I'm playing as well, you know? I play a game, you play a game. It's all funny. Hey, welcome the kid. Is it in the kid? Welcome to the stream. And that way, this this game that we have going on encourages people to come out of lurk as well, you know? Is Toby here? Yes, Toby's here. Hey, Toby's here. Welcome to the stream, Toby. Really? You're not gonna battle me, man? People train at this lighthouse. It's not easy to climb because of all the trainers. Oh, really, my friend? Really? You lost it. What did you do? Did you lose all your pants already? Oh, come on, Cheer. Come on, Cheer. Really? Did you already lose all your pants? I just gave you 2,000. What? I just gave you 2,000. Cheer. Okay, there's an Octile here. Can I take him on with my Reap? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try with my Thunder Wave. Let's try Thunder Wave. It's fun. It's not fun to lose. It's not fun to lose. Alright, Thunder Shock. Wow, he's a strong Noctowl. If I can keep this up, I'll get some good XP out of him. Come on. Only 3 pants. 22 hours and you only have 3 pants. Oh, that's good. That feels good. Oh yeah. Because of Sapphire. Rape is evolving. Nope. Yeah, the stream delay is small. This guy has a Poliwag as well, I think. Or a Poliwrath. Something like that. Who has the most pants right now? I don't know. I'm curious. Can somebody tell me? Poliwag! I think Cheer has the most pants. Kappa. Chris has the most? Is there a leaderboard? I don't know. I think there should be a leaderboard. Does anybody know if you can check if there's a leaderboard or something? I don't know. Crazy Blade has a lot as well. Oh yeah, Chris has the most, yeah. Well, I don't think that it works like that. Let me just check real quick. Hold on. Now I got curious. I'm gonna check if there's a leaderboard for pants points. Hold on. So, configuration. Pants points. Reward pants. No, it doesn't say. Settings. Control. Yeah, there is a leader. Hold on. Yeah, there is a leaderboard. No, this doesn't make sense though. I don't know. I really don't know. Refresh. What if I hit refresh? Hold on. Chris is top. Yes. There's no way to check though. I just refreshed. Yeah. Actually, Emily has the most pants. Actually, Emily. And then Chris. And then Sakura. Those are the top three. Emily is first. Chris second. And Sakura third. That's how it is. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna not go. I mean, gonna continue playing this game. Alright, where was I? One day I'll be top. Where's my rank? Your rank? You probably lost, probably. Let me just scroll down. No, you're not actually, not even on the list. You're not even on the list. You're not even on the list. Alright, I'm gonna keep playing. Sorry. I'm getting distracted. Hey Taylor! Sakura as in Naruto. No, Sakura as in from Capcom. I should have paralyzed Poliwhirl. Ooh, that's a big bet, Crazy Blade. Oh, he got paralyzed anyway. Alright, good. Sakura as in Bork. How far am I in? Well, I'm in Old Vine City right now. I think the bot is in love with me. Oh man. Pidgey! Alright, Maripa's on fire right now, huh? Uh-oh. Are we gonna make Chris bet all his pants? All of them? Oh, that's a big bet. That's a big bet, Sakura. I think you broke my bot again. Ah, you don't have 1,500, that's why. Sorry about the bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. There's nothing I can do. Well, there's that. I'm not betting 6k. Oh man. Ooh, Crazy Blade, that's a good win. Alright, Crazy Blade. Will you bet 4,000 pounds for everyone? If you win, everybody gets 4,000. That's it, right now. That's it, right now. Do you want to do that? Crazy Blade, will you take the challenge? Will you bet 4k for everyone else? If you win, everybody gets 4k. Ooh, he went for it! He went for it! He went for it, let's see. Well, I think you just won. You need to give it some time to cool down. You need to give it some time to cool down. Let's train my hoot hoot in the meantime. Ooh, nice win, Toby. Oh, he went for it. Let's see. Oh, he lost them. He lost them. Oh, oh man. And that is why Chris refuses to bet 6k. Come on, Chris, you could be everyone's favorite. You want to do it? By the way, I have no control over what the bot decides, obviously. This is completely random. That is hilarious. Oh, man. I don't want to die. Ripperoni. That's hilarious. Ooh, 1,500. She won! She won! Sakura won. You see, I won't extend my challenge to Sakura because Sakura will just gamble them anyway. So she doesn't really care. I want to extend my challenge. I want to extend my challenge to those that are not... to those that are hesitant. You know, that's part of the game. I don't accept. Hey Min, welcome! Nice to see you again. Hey, Abby Ryder! Abby Ryder, wait a second. Wait a second. You got 5 pants points over there. Everybody's getting crazy wins now. Wow, yeah, be careful because after the beautiful weather comes the storm. Oh man. Alright, so what's going on? Chris is going for it! 6,000! Oh, he won! He won! Chris went for it and he got 1,200. Oh, everybody's gonna get 6,000. Everybody's gonna get 6,000. Make sure you're active in chat right now because I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it right now. 6,000. Reward, everybody's gonna get it. Reward, 6,000. Cheer's gonna lose them in like, I don't know, 2 minutes. 2 seconds. Here we go. Everybody's gonna get them. That's hilarious. That was hilarious. Wow. Wow. He went for it. He went for it like a boss. I'm gonna keep playing now. This was fun. This was fun. Ooh, Kevin is at 9,000 points. Wow. Okay, I'm never betting again. That's the spirit, Chris. What about Cheer? How many did you have now, Cheer? Did you lose all of them again already? Alright, it's got... What? How is it that you already have 2 pants points? Did you lose them already? Dude! What? I got nothing! Did you lose them already? What about Toby? How many points does Toby have now? Cheer didn't bet. He wasn't active in chat then? Was that it? 10,000. Toby is at 10,000 right now. Hey Tanner, welcome to the stream. We're playing Gamble Wars right now. We're gambling. And I'm playing Pokemon. I'm supposed to be playing Pokemon. Na, na, na. This guy has a Growlithe, if I'm not mistaken. Sakura's at 11,000. Wow. It's over 9,000! So you didn't get your points? Hold on. How is that? How is that you didn't get your pants points, Cheer? Now I'm confused. I don't know. So you didn't get the pants? That's strange. Everybody got them, no? That's so strange. I don't know how long it takes for the system to actually mark you down as lurking, you see? I know you need to be active in chat, but I don't know how it works. I honestly don't know how it works. Why do you give it a Totodile? I must have answered this question like 10 times today. I don't mind repeating myself though. They learn their moves faster when they're younger. That's why I do that. Just to prove my point, I've got Cerebi.net open right now and I can actually tell you exactly the difference. PQRST for Totodile. There we go. Totodile learns Hydro Pump at level 52. If I evolve him to a Feraligatr, he will learn Hydro Pump at 58. So I'd rather leave him with Totodile. He's cute that way anyway, so yeah, that's what I do. I've been doing that since the very beginning, since I was a kid. It's how I always played this game. Oh, are you? Okay. What's your team, Tanner, if you don't mind me asking? What's your team? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run a Totodile to level 52. And that's the thing, once they grow, once they evolved, you're stuck with the big old Feraligatr, you know, you can't really go back to a Totodile. So this is, I enjoy having a Totodile for as long as I can, basically. Oh, there you go. There you go. Alright, there you go. Now don't spend them all on booze. Cheer. So, Bayleaf 24, Fluffy 25, Quagsire level 20. That's a good team, actually. That's a good team. I think I need to go here now. Cheer is itching to bet. Oh no, I just realized my Mareep fainted. Ah well. I like to keep all my Pokemon babies, so they all learn their final moves quickly. It doesn't work like that, Ice Max. You grabbed Bill's Eevee? Wait. Where did you get the Eevee from? Hold on. Tanner, where did you get the Eevee from? From where? But it gives you the Eevee. Goldenrod. What? There's... What? Really? Tanner, seriously? I'm gonna go back to... What? I was told that you get it from... Okay, so Cerebi.net is not correct, huh? Cerebi.net is not correct right now. Hold on. Okay, this is not... Man, I'm shocked right now. What? Hold on a sec. A, B, C, D, E, F, G... Alright. E, E, double... W-E-V-E. There we go. Hold on a sec. Because according to Cerebi.net, it says Celadon Game Corner. That's what it says. Celadon. Can I go get it now? I'm gonna go get it now, actually. Hold on. I'm gonna go get it now. Oh man, Tanner, I'm glad you spoke up. I'm gonna go get it now. Bet ding ding dong, good one. Hold on. Yes, I did. Yes, I encountered Bill in a critique. He said he fixed the time capsule, but he didn't. Because to be honest with you, I already have an Eevee in Pokemon Red. I was gonna get that from... I was gonna transfer it from Red to... Mr. Minecraft Pokemon GTA Nerd 349. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate that. I'm gonna go grab it right now. Because I was gonna transfer my Eevee from Pokemon Red and wait for the time capsule to be fixed. But since I can get it right now, I won't have to wait. Actually, should I? Because otherwise, if I transfer, he will have double XP, yeah? If it's traded. If I get it from Red. Because if I get it from Red, but I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm not the guy that likes to wait for tomorrow. Alright, so... okay, so the Cerebi.net is incorrect. It says, and I'm quoting, Celadon City Game Corner. That's what it says. It's not working yet. It's not working yet, the time capsule, no. Play Super Mario Bros. 2. Maybe one day. I played the first one. Once upon a time. Welcome to the stream, Jessica. We're here. I'm gonna go heal real quick because I'm hurt. Nah, I don't like down fun. No. Okay, so what do you guys think I should do? Should I grab the Eevee right now? Or should I just wait till the time capsule is working? Because it's not, is it? Let me just double check one more time. No, it's not working again. So should I get it now or should I wait till the time capsule is fixed and I'll get the one from Red? So I get twice the XP, you know, boosted. Here we get the Eevee now. Grab it now. Everybody's like, grab it now. Alright, I'm gonna grab it now. Let's go get it now. If I wait till the time, it's gonna have to be tomorrow, and tomorrow I won't be streaming, so not even Monday. It's gonna be a while. So, where's Bill? Bill! Didn't you say it was at the radio tower? You said it's the radio tower, right? Wait, where's Bill? Is it at the radio tower? It's in Bill's house, alright. Is this Bill's house? No, this is the train station or something, is it? Yeah. Which one's Bill's house? Name Rater. There we go. Underground. Oh, under, okay. So this is where I was. So it's underneath, right here. This is the game corner. Is this it? This is it! Hey, Vloggy, do us a favor and take this Eevee. It came over when I was adjusting the time capsule. Oh, so I got it from time capsule anyway. Okay. I haven't played this game in years, like a decade, I think. Oh no, I said no! I said no. Sorry! Sorry, I'm getting an Eevee, I'm getting an Eevee! Sorry I'm quiet, I'm just downloading the image. I'm downloading the image real quick, bear with me. I'm adjusting the image real quick, bear with me. There we go. Looks like I got me an Eevee. Looks like I got an Eevee. Well, that was unexpected. Thanks to that Tanner. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you for speaking up. Okay. I'm pretty quiet there. I have no friends to evolve Hunter with, so I'm not using it. What if you use the time capsule, Tanner? Does it work like that? Does it not work with the time capsule? I would need to try that. I wonder. So, Pokemon. The thing is... Oh, Eevee's level 20 already. Wow, that's good. Okay, that's good. Let's go back to that tower. Where do you get the lucky egg? I have no idea. I haven't played this game in like a decade. I have no idea. I wish I could help. I didn't even know where the Eevee was. But in my defense, Cerebi.net was incorrect. Can I take him on now? Hmm? Hi Jacob, welcome. Nice to see you. Hey, Emily's here! We were just mentioning you. Well, we mentioned you like half an hour ago, I think. Because we were playing a pants game. We were playing the pants game and people were wondering the top scorers on pants. And they wanted a leaderboard. So I brought up the leaderboard and you were first for a while, but then we had a pants war. And let me refresh now. I don't think you're first anymore now. Nope, Chris the Koala is... Oh, wow! Wow. Alright. Chris the Koala's first now with 18,000 pants points. And then there's Sakura with 11,000 points. And there's Toby. And then Kevin. And then Emily. So Emily went from the first place, went down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're in 5th place. That's funny. Anyway. I am! Hello, Mushy! Ooh, and Sakura keeps winning. Sakura's greedy. Sakura's greedy. She wants more and more and more. It's never enough. It's never enough. Oh, there's another trainer I missed. Fly high into the sky, my beloved bird Pokemon. Seems like Sakura's going for number 1. Ah, actually, Cheer went up the list now. I see Cheer on the list as well. Interesting. Cheer is on the list now. Emily's 5th place. Min is 6th. Cheer is 7th place now, huh? Plicky, plicky. Come on, Reap. You can do this. Come on, my baby. Do this. Use Thunder Shock. Am I battling a bird keeper called Toby, really? The Toby I know. The Toby I know, has like 6 Magikarps. Oh, I see what Cheer just did. Oh no, Cheer's off the list again. So is Sakura on the one now? Hold on. Let me refresh. No? Ooh, so close. 200 pants points away. You're only 200 pants points away from being first. From being first! Alright, Thunder Shock. I wish you could see this leaderboard, but there's no... Oh, okay, now she's on top. She has to be on top now. Let me just refresh. Yeah, Sakura's number 1 now. Sakura's number 1. Teaming up against me? Oh man, there's 100 points difference between Sakura and Chris. Alright, let me keep playing. Are you gonna gamble all of it, Chris? Are you gonna gamble all of it, Chris? Are you gonna gamble all of it? Don't, Chris, don't. I wouldn't if I were you. Oh, hell no. I wouldn't if I were you. But deep down, Sakura wants you. Oh! Oh no! Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Sakura, see, deep down wanted you to do that. Oh man, that was hilarious. Today has been very exciting on chat with the pants. I told you not to, but deep down she wanted you to. Alright, now let me just refresh. Let me just refresh now the leaderboards. First place is Sakura, second place is Toby, third place is Kevin. That's Vloggy. Alright, let me extend the challenge to Sakura. Sakura, if you bet 18,000k right now, if you bet 18,000k right now, alright, and you win, I will award everyone 18,000. Oh man. What do you think? Oh hell no. Alright. The bot is rigged. It's not rigged. It's not rigged. It's just the way it is. Ah, you Vloggy. What? 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 You did it? No! Oh! Oh my goodness! You did it! You did it! Ah, now I have to give 18k to everyone. Alright, make sure you're active in chat, guys. I'm about to do it. Make sure you're active in chat. 18k. Hold on. Reward. Can I spell reward? I think I can. Reward. 18,000. My goodness. Here we go. Send. Boom. Did everybody get his pants? Oh man. Me and my big mouth. Uvula just missed it, I think. I think Uvula just missed it. Welcome to the stream, Uvula. I think you just missed it. I just awarded everyone with 18,000 pants points. Oh. Let me see if he got them. Oh, he did! Oh, Uvula got them. Alright. Now you're in lurk mode. You see, this is what this game does. This is what this game does. It lures everyone out of lurk. It brings out everyone out of lurk. Oh man, that is awesome. I love this. Alright, so let me just refresh the leaderboards now. What's going on with the stream? Is it Rip stream? What's going on? Wait. Is stream working for everyone else? What's going on? Sakura complains with the Rip stream. What? What? Is it down? It seems to be okay here. It seems to be okay. Let me just refresh again. Hold on. Stop streaming, restream. No, it's not. It's not. Am I back? Guys, am I back? Am I back? Is it still down? People are not saying anything. Is it down? Really? Seems to be okay here. Alright, refresh just in case. Refresh. It's back up. Alright, it's YouTube. It's not my connection. I have a boss connection and OBS is working fine. No frame drops. It's YouTube. Alright, so I'm glad it's back. Alright. Oh man. That was hilarious. Well, I don't even know why I brought the stream back up because I need to end it. I need to end this. I need to end this. Oh, come on, I have to go through the grass. Alright, we did it. So yeah, I was gonna check the leaderboard. Let's see the leaderboard once again. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's part of the side effects from streaming with no latency. It happens. It's still in beta, so let's check the leaderboards once again. Refreshing. So who's on top right now? Sakura's on top with 54,000 pants. Cheer is second. Whoa, Cheer! He went from 0 to hero. And then there's Crazy Blade. So top 3, Sakura, Cheer, and Crazy Blade. Where's Chris? Chris vanished on the leaderboards. I don't see Chris. Chris, where are you, Chris? Anyway, let's keep streaming. Let's keep playing the game. I think Chris left after losing all the points. Oops. Alright, so let's go back to the future. No, to the tower. I'm gonna heal real quick. I have 5 Pokemon now. My team is almost complete. My team is almost complete. Ooh, look at Sakura going big now because she affords it, so... Sakura affords to go big. No, you just bet. Okay, basically there's a currency system going on my stream. The longer you watch the stream, you earn pants points. The longer you watch the stream, the more you chat in chat, the more pants you earn. So people can actually bet and gamble these points. And it's just a game, basically. It's a currency system. Bot is in cooldown. You bet and you regretted it right away. I am, exactly, it's the pants because it's my thing. I don't wear pants. Alright, this is the last train I'm gonna fight for this evening. It's almost 9 PM here. Wow, I've been streaming for, I have no idea now. I reset OBS, I don't know if I don't know how long I've been streaming. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be the last train I'm gonna fight today because I need to get out of here. Channel is not live. It says the channel is not live. I don't know how that works. Because I think it's talking about VloggyBuddy that is not live. Alright, so, alright, we can do this. Thundershock! I'm 3 hours behind. I'm watching Vloggy Life. Alright, come on, we got this. Ooh, he's paralyzed. Crazy Blade, no way! Ooh, what the heck? What the heck? Seriously, Crazy Blade? No way! No way! Crazy Blade, you went for it and you got it. Well done. Okay, Crazy Blade is on the #1 spot again. Sakura's number 2, and Cheer is number 3. Oh man, it just got interesting. No, and did. Oh man. I'm afraid to bet now. I don't blame you. That was funny. That was hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna go, guys. I've been streaming for way too long now. I'm gonna save the game, and I'm gonna continue this probably on, I don't know, maybe Wednesday? Maybe Wednesday. I won't be streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna take a day off. And I'll be back on Monday with Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, if you're interested to see that. It's gonna be awesome. Basically, it's the Avengers teaming up with the Street Fighter characters, and Chris Redfield is gonna lead the team. Mega Man. Yeah, and can you imagine them holding the Infinity Stones? It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Everybody that dropped by. Thank you for Makurasaki for the raid, and thank you Face to Face for the raid as well, and for the new subscribers. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Ciao.